Artificial intelligence, AI, has rapidly transformed the field of marketing, with businesses across various industries leveraging AI to gain a competitive edge. AI is a branch of computer science that involves the development of intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as reasoning, learning, and decision-making. AI in marketing refers to the use of intelligent systems to analyze and predict consumer behavior, automate tasks, personalize marketing campaigns, and improve customer experiences. The benefits of AI in marketing are numerous. One of the most significant advantages is increased efficiency and accuracy in data analysis. AI algorithms can process vast amounts of data much faster and with greater accuracy than humans, enabling marketers to make data-driven decisions that improve business outcomes. By leveraging AI to analyze data, businesses can gain valuable insights into customer behavior, preferences, and trends, which can be used to create more effective marketing campaigns. Personalization is another key benefit of AI in marketing. By analyzing customer data, AI algorithms can develop personalized marketing campaigns that are tailored to the unique needs and preferences of individual customers. Personalization can improve the relevance of marketing messages, leading to higher engagement and conversion rates. With AI-powered personalization, businesses can deliver the right message to the right customer at the right time, improving the overall customer experience. AI also enables businesses to improve customer segmentation and targeting. By analyzing customer data, AI algorithms can identify specific customer segments based on shared characteristics, such as demographics, behavior, and preferences. This information can be used to develop more effective marketing strategies that target the right audience with the right message. Real-time customer interaction and engagement is another area where AI is making an impact in marketing. By leveraging AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants, businesses can engage with customers 24/7, providing personalized assistance and support. This can improve customer satisfaction and loyalty, as customers are more likely to do business with companies that provide convenient and personalized support. Finally, AI can enhance the overall customer experience by providing personalized product recommendations, improving website navigation, and reducing friction in the sales process. By analyzing customer data, AI algorithms can recommend products and services that are most likely to be of interest to customers, increasing the chances of making a sale. Additionally, AI-powered website navigation can provide a more seamless and personalized experience for customers, reducing the likelihood of abandoned shopping carts and lost sales. While the benefits of AI in marketing are significant, there are also a number of challenges that businesses must overcome to successfully implement AI. One of the most significant challenges is data privacy and security. AI algorithms require access to sensitive customer data, raising concerns about privacy and security. Businesses must take steps to ensure that customer data is stored securely and used only for legitimate purposes. Another challenge is algorithm bias. AI algorithms can be biased and lead to discriminatory or unfair outcomes, raising ethical concerns. To address this issue, businesses must ensure that their AI algorithms are developed and tested in an ethical and responsible manner, and that any biases are identified and corrected. Integration with legacy systems is also a significant challenge for businesses seeking to implement AI in marketing. AI may not be compatible with existing legacy systems, requiring costly and time-consuming integration efforts. To overcome this challenge, businesses may need to invest in new infrastructure and technologies that can support AI. If you want to learn more, please read the article. I am sure you will like the part about AI marketing benefits and challenges. Have a nice day.